Veterinary visits are very important for maintaining the health and well-being of your bird. When it comes to preparing for the veterinary visit, the most important preparation steps should occur long before the visit itself. Training your bird to be comfortable with things like towel restraint, entering a carrier, going on car rides, and socializing with strangers will go a long way towards ensuring a smooth visit with your avian veterinarian. See our other videos for training tips and other resources. Before you leave, make sure to write down the brand names of the foods, treats, and any supplements you give your bird, along with the amounts. Be sure to write down any medications and their instructions as well, and consider bringing them along for your vet to review. Prescribed medications should be given as instructed, but do not give your bird food before the trip. Some birds can become carsick during the drive. Additionally, some diagnostic testing or procedures may require some light sedation, and this requires an empty crop and stomach for safety. Try to bring any physical records from the breeder or previous veterinary visit, and keep a written log of illnesses to help keep the timeline organized. Consider bringing a fresh fecal sample with you as well, which could be kept on a moist paper towel in a plastic baggie in the fridge overnight if needed. When you arrive at your vet's office, be sure to keep your pet in the carrier until instructed to remove them. Tragedies have struck from frightened birds flying away or being injured by other pets. Minimize the number of toys and perches in the carrier, as these can make removing your bird from the carrier more difficult. Be sure the person most familiar with the pet's routine and current illness is present and available to answer any questions. Be sure to request any routine procedures such as nail or wing trims before the veterinarian completes the exam in order to minimize the amount of time for handling or restraining of your pet. If you expect your bird may be fearful or try to bite, that's okay. But please inform the veterinary staff in advance so that they may take additional steps if needed to help reduce your pet's stress. And finally, veterinary visits can become costly, especially in cases of severe illness. It is important to begin saving for emergencies even before you get your new pet. Many owners purchase medical insurance for their pets in order to help out with any unforeseen illnesses. You may also look into getting a medical credit card, such as Care Credit, to have on hand for emergencies. Routine annual wellness visits can also help identify early signs of illness before they become more severe and more costly.